Hello, YouTube. It is about 7 p.m. on March 21st, 2012. This is in Monmouth, Oregon. I just made a snow inukshuk. The snow inukshuk even has a maple leaf on it because some of my ancestors are from Canada. It is really strange that it is snowing in Oregon on March 21st, the first full day of spring. This is the west side of the inukshuk. This is the north side. This is the east side. And this is the south side. You were a lot of fun to make. I hope you last a long time. I hope we get more snow tomorrow. It's still snowing now. Da 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 Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee, true patriot. Da 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 I know that inukshuks don't have eyes, but on this side it looks like the inukshuk has eyes. That is really interesting. The inukshuk is a way that First Nations people in the northern Arctic it's a way that they it's a way that they tell where they are going. They were featured in the 2010 Vancouver, Canada Olympics. For Farm Fresh Eggs News, this has been Katzim PDX 1984 Canada reporting. Auf Wiedersehen. Merci. Adios. Goodbye. Dos vidania.